Hey guys, welcome back to Sip and Dip with Chelsea. Today's video is going to be just a chatty hang out with me like friends, catch up. I'm going to share a life update with you guys, what's been going on behind the scenes. So grab a snack, grab a drink, and let's go sip and dip. I'll be playing with Zest today. This is from Revel Nails' latest launch Mane Squeeze. It is so much fun, so perfect for summer, and I will also be using Revel Nails Dip Powder Liquids. So in case you are new here, hello, welcome to my channel. I am an active duty military spouse, so my husband is active duty in the Coast Guard and we move a lot. So last year we were told that we were gonna move and we sold our home, moved into a rental in the meantime, and then the Coast Guard said, nah, just kidding, we don't have enough jobs, so y'all are gonna have to stay for one more year. So we ended up extending for another year here, which is not a problem. We love being here in Florida. We're near family. This is where we were born and raised. But the time has come and now we are moving in like 3 weeks. So the way it works is every job has a priority. So someone who's deployed in Bahrain would be a priority 1. Someone who's at a land unit in Florida, such as my husband, would be a priority 6. So when the list comes out, priority 1 puts in their list and they get what they want, and then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. And then what's left is basically for us, priority 6, my husband. And what happened was every month the list would come out and he wouldn't get anything on it. And it wasn't that we were being stingy. We were putting everything from Alaska to New York. But once the jobs are filled, the jobs are filled. So then the Coast Guard was advancing more people. So then more jobs would open up. It was just months of waiting and waiting. We just got orders like a few weeks ago, you guys. And I move in less than a month. So it has been such a whirlwind, so much behind the scenes stress. I have wanted to update you guys, but I didn't have any answers. I didn't know where we were moving or anything. So because we got the leftover list and orders so late in the season, unfortunately, I tried to get my name on the base housing list for where we're moving and we're number like 84. So that's not gonna happen in 3 weeks. I was able to secure us a rental home. The problem with that is for May, we're paying for 2 houses right now. So yeah, it's been stressful to say the least. And as of yesterday, we just got movers assigned to us. So the military puts out a bid and a company will, bid on it. And whoever wins the bid, that is who will move our belongings. So we just got a company assigned to us, but I still have no clue when they're coming. I have no clue. I'm at that point in this whole adventure where all I can do is just laugh. So on Mother's Day, we went to the beach and I came back to the house and I'm just so anxious with everything, if I'm being honest, that I was going through my bathroom purging and going through everything, and I found that I had some leftover pink hair conditioner dye. So I'm like, well, that's enough reason for me. Why not? And I dyed my hair pink. That's pretty much where I'm at with my sanity in all of this. I did actually put out a story on my Instagram asking if you guys would like for me to vlog all of this. And ideally, I'll still get to do that. But if I'm being honest, I have no clue. I have no clue. I would love to vlog. I would love to hear if that is even something you guys would be interested in, even if I can't do it before this move. If when I get settled, if you guys would love to see more of my actual life, my life behind the nails, my face, things like that, and what you would want to see. And yeah, I would be interested in sharing more of those kinds of things. I would love to share more than just nails with you guys. So basically, next step for us is we will have the movers come, and the way it works is a truck driver wins the bid, and then they hire people to pack, and then they hire people to load it, and then they hire people when we get to the next state to unload it. So it's a lot of strangers. It's kind of a whirlwind day, and when they will pack anything. So you actually have to separate a room and put a sign on it saying do not pack, because they will pack your trash. Ask me how I know this. Ask me. And it's happened. They have packed my trash before and it was on the moving truck when we got to the next place. Yeah, just there, that's enough picture for y'all. A lot of y'all responded to my Instagram story saying you wanted to see how I pack my nail belongings. So the way it works with the military movers is they won't pack anything flammable, perishable, liquid, all of those types of things. And that kind of covers a lot of my nail stuff. So we will be bringing that with us. And I wish I could say I'm super cool and inventive of how I'm going to pack it. But if I'm being real and honest with y'all, we're probably going to just use bags, like grocery bags, garbage bags, Ziploc bags, and just make sure it's nice and cushioned and just put it in the back of my car. I'm just not that person. Like, I am not that Instagram person who's going to give y'all amazing tips and tricks on that. We are just real human beings that just get the job done at this point. We end up having to front a lot of money just to have the two houses and making sure everything is safely packaged, like buying bags for our mattresses and blankets for the furniture. And it really adds up really quick. So my main goal when I'm moving my nail stuff is making sure my liquids are upright and making sure anything that's fragile is cushioned. All the dip powders are probably going to just stay in the drawers that they're in, and having bags on top so that they're not really just flying around in my car. Not that I drive like that, but you know what I mean. I really do consider y'all my friends. I hang out with you guys, I feel, every week, every Friday. Y'all come and support me in the comments, and some of you have been here from the jump. Y'all have been here from day one with me, and I'm appreciative. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter how long you've been here. If you've ever even commented on any of my videos, I just truly, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate you guys and your support, and the fact that because of you guys, this is now my job, and I'm beyond grateful for that. Words can't even express. So in honor of that and this adventure, coming to hang out with me, chatting with me, catching up, I want to give back, and I can't say the exact word of what that is. We all know what that is, because YouTube is filtering comments when a video says that word. So I'm just going to say give back, and y'all can read between the lines. Basically, it'll end in 1 week. All you have to do is just comment down below with what state you think I'm moving to. Even if you're wrong, you're still entered, so don't worry. And I'm going to do 2 winners, so you can win 5 minis to Sparkling Co. or 10 mini dip powders to Sparkling Co. And then next week in my next upload, I will share exactly where we're going and more details about that. I am excited. Don't get me wrong, I am very excited, but of course there's always some sadness that comes with every move, and this is the first time we've gotten to be near family. So right now my family lives on the other coast of Florida, so it's been really nice being near family. So I will absolutely miss that. I will miss everything that comes with that. I'll miss the Florida beaches, but I am excited for this next adventure, of course, and I always try to keep an open mind, because I do believe that the places that we move, you make the best of it, and your mindset really does determine how it's going to go. And I know how I'm feeling, my children will pick up on that. So I always try to make sure that I'm excited about it and I speak positively about it in front of them. So my oldest, who is 7, is starting to get a little bit anxious and sad about the move. She has made some really great friends here, so I've been really trying to make sure, so she's gonna go on a little sleepover and making sure I spend the time that she gets with play dates and seeing her friends after school each day at the park. And I have set up a little app on her tablet so that she can Skype and message them, and doing my best, because this is our first move since she's been old enough to really grasp the concept. I have told her we're starting to work on letting her redecorate when we move to the next house. So that's something really exciting for her, to get to redecorate her bedroom and something to look forward to for her. And of course, it absolutely breaks my mom heart to see her kind of get choked up to ask those hard questions of, will I get to see them again? That one hurts. I was trying really hard. Sorry. It's not always easy. Some of you guys follow me on Instagram, and like a month or 2 ago, I actually had to say goodbye to my dog and cat. So there's a lot of big mixed emotions. But, this is the life that we have chosen for our family based on the stability of it and supporting my husband. I've always told him when we got engaged that I would follow him anywhere. I'm sorry. Okay, I had to take a second. This is why I avoid these life updates, because sometimes I just don't have the answers, and that I would be lying if I said that I wasn't an anxious person. And this is my outlet. Doing this with you guys and doing my nails, it's a moment to kind of like not think about it, because sometimes it's not easy. And don't get me wrong, I am so excited, and I know this lifestyle is going to provide our children with things that I didn't get to experience as a child, which is exploring and traveling and living in other areas. So it's not a bad thing, and I don't want it to come across that way at all. But there are also, real scary things and emotions when it comes to uprooting your life and going somewhere you've never been. So anyway, I'm grateful for you guys, more than you know. So thank you. Sorry. Gosh, it wasn't supposed to be like that. Anyways, I know I had a lot to update you guys on. I'm very excited to tell you guys next week where we're actually going. So I can't wait to see where you think and kind of where your head's at on where you think I'm going to. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions again on being open to me sharing more of my life. I promise, well, I won't promise, but I'll try not to cry again on a vlog, because that would be awful. I would love to get to vlog the moving part of this, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to be able to do. I don't know when the movers are coming. It's still a lot of it is up in the air. In between, we're now doing showings in the rental that we're living in now. They have started doing the showings. So I get kicked out of my house several times a day and let strangers walk around all of our stuff. So that kind of adds a little bit into it too. Thank you so much to everybody who comes and hangs out with me every Friday. Thank you to the new faces who are here. I promise I don't cry in every video like that. That was absolutely unexpected. And I wish you guys all luck on the you know what that ends next week. Don't worry if you guess wrong, you are still entered, I promise. And I will update y'all next Friday on where we're actually headed to. Thank y'all so much for coming and hanging out with me, and I will see you next week.